today we're launching the Robot Lab. So I welcome all of you to joining us and thank all of you.
I'm so excited to be here. So is Pepper. As you can see, she's clapping. We're so excited to be partnering and opening up this franchise for Robot Lab. And we're so excited you should come down and see all our robots and what they can do for you. Isn't that right?
We've now added something to give the youth and our adult population within Atlantic County another thing to think about as far as opportunities for career and career advancement.
I have always been fascinated by Ideal Institute, but this is definitely Ideal on steroids. We were just presented with the robot program, and I have got to tell you, it is a definite gold star for South Jersey and Pleasantville. Our kids are going to benefit, and Mr. Parikh has done an amazing job.
I am so pleased that I had the opportunity to come and attend this event today. So impressive. To have a robot that can actually laugh and do all kinds of stuff is just amazing. And what this organization is doing for the youth of the community, and it's just an amazing opportunity for so many people.
This was an awesome event. I'm very excited about Ideal being here and partnering, getting the community involved with everything that's going on. I think this is going to be great just for everyone all around. This is awesome.
This has been an exciting event, learning about different robots and the new technology, which is part of the future. Formerly working at Atlantic Care with robots in the operating room. It's exciting to see that this future is still in the process of being really great.
It's very exciting to show new opportunities for people, both in coding and the opportunities for these type of robots, all sorts of them, specifically in the hospitality industry. But we are also talking about the educational industry, special education students, looking at long-term care facilities, people with dementia. There's so many endless opportunities for this, and hopefully a lot of the people get educated in this and can get on the fast track to do it, because it is something that's going to be up and coming very soon.
I'm super excited to bring true commercial robotics training, and it's also a work-based and a paid work experience training in partnership with Robot Lab. These are the example of commercial robot, and then I get a lot of questions today at the launch, where South Jersey is a hospitality industry, and how these type of robots they're gonna take the jobs away from people. And I told everybody, look at this opportunity. Robot Lab of South Jersey is here in South Jersey to make sure our frontline workers, particularly my friends at Local 54. My mom is a Local 54 15-year worker and a retiree. She's on a pension with the Local 54. So when I showed her that if you are working as a housekeeper and you have a robot helping you in vacuuming, carpet cleaning, how good you're gonna be feeling doing those 14 rooms in a day. So I love to share that Robot Lab is committed to make the hard part of a frontline worker's job away through the robots and make them more customer service oriented and friendly. So we're super excited to bringing the various type of robots to hospitality industry to make our frontline workers' job easy, not to replace them, but to empower them that they can pay more attention on a customer service.